Hey guys, Jeremy from Speedwerx here. Today we're here to talk to you about something we've all been waiting for a really long time. We're going to be releasing our 2020 to 2022 Wildcat XX ECU flashes. This is stuff we've long had since the XX first came out for the 2018-2019 models, but now we have it available for the 2020 to 2022 models, and we know there's lots of you guys waiting for it. It's here. You don't have to wait anymore. We'll revisit on a few points here. We've got the reworked fuel and ignition tables, all the special tricks and sauces and everything there to give us a good power and performance. There we do see about a 7 rear wheel horsepower gain with one of our lightweight mufflers installed. The rev limiter is raised to 9,800 RPM. Speed limiter is raised to 120 miles an RPM. Enables the 2-foot driving, so you can drive with your foot on the brake and in the gas for you guys that are rock crawling, other racing, any other types of driving and stuff where you have a lot of brake and gas at the same time. It removes that fault code. It has a race start feature, so you can start it without pushing on the brake to start it. Cooling fans are turned on about 15 degrees cooler, so the machines run a little bit cooler, giving you a little bit more added power and performance there as well. Throttle response is sped up on the drive-by-wire feature, so you'll notice some increased throttle response there. And the units need to be sent into Speedwerx to get flashed. A little different than what we had in the past, but with everything going on and parts availability and things like that, right now the only option we have is that you send the ECU to us to get flashed. It's a quick turnaround. Depending on what time UPS or FedEx gets in that day, we'll get it pulled out, we'll get it flashed. Sometimes it'll ship back the same day. Some days it might be the next day, but it's a real quick turnaround. That's everything there. Again, ECU flash for the 2020 to 2022 Wildcat XX models. We have multiple stages for our, if you have just a stock machine, if you have a machine with our lightweight muffler, or you're going with our full stage 2 package and doing a racing application, we have all those maps and features available. They all have the reworked timing and fuel curves and all the other features that I just talked about. Retail price on that stuff is $499. And you have to send them in. Check it out on the website, speedwerx.com, and if you have any questions, give us a call, and we'll talk to you guys soon.